OFM Sport.
You played for the Cheetahs before. You made your debut last year in the SA Cup against the Pumas, if I'm not mistaken, that terrible game that we want to forget. Obviously, there was a big learning curve, but this is going to be a proper one for you. You're older, stronger. You've been with the junior books. You've been in the setup a bit longer. How are you feeling about this one tomorrow night against Black Lion?
Yeah, no, so I'm really excited. I feel this whole under-21 season has given me good preparations to the build-up to this game. I didn't expect to play this game actually, but yeah, it's a massive honor for me to wear the jersey again tomorrow night. I'm too excited to sleep, so we'll see. We didn't watch anything about how they play and the way they're playing. So we'll just take it tomorrow.
And a really nice thing about the season is we've seen so many young guys come through. We've got Frankie Dos Reis, Ben Pitto, Malcolm Lamont coming through. Earlier in the year, John Venter, out of the blue, almost made that number 4 jersey his own, and you guys trained together.
Yes.
So you guys are the next crop, both of the Cheetahs and Shimlers. So it's really exciting that you guys are able to carry this legacy of both teams forward.
Yeah, no, absolutely, sir. No, it's good competition, and it's nice that the senior guys helps us a lot, like Victor and Pierre and Toffer. They really, I mean, I watch them play growing up, so it's I can't describe it in words. It's a massive honor.
En natuurlijk, jy het nou hierdie rugbyfabriek kry gekom. So daar was seker altyd daai ambisie gewees iewers om dalk eendag professioneel te speel, of was daar so 'n bietjie van 'n opvolgplan gewees met studies ensovoorts gewees?
Ja, kyk, ek moet sê dit was my nog altyd 'n droom om rugby om 'n carrière te kan maak daarvan. Maar met my ouers ek moet iets agter my naam kry. Ons glo maar vas daaraan. So en ek wou baie graag vir die Shimla speel en vir coach Andre hulle speel, sodat ek wil graag daai blou trui aan hê en om by die Cheetahs ook. Hulle het mos 'n goeie verhouding, so mense kan by albei kom. So dit was maar die plan om 'n student athlete half te kan wees.
En jy speel natuurlik slot bietjie korter as ander slotte dalk. Is daar dalk ook so 'n bietjie van iets van 'n flank in jou spel, of is dit maar meestal net slot?
Oom, nee, ek is eintlik, ek het nou van ek dink graad 11 af het ek maar net slot gespeel, maar hierdie jaar eintlik nog begin toe ek vir die Young Guns op 7 flank gespeel, en dit was my bitter lekker geweest. Ek sal dit geniet as hulle my dalk eendag 'n kans kan gee op 7 flank.
En net laastens, wat is jou verwagtinge van môre se wedstryd? Dit is natuurlik 'n vriendskaplike wedstryd in baie mate, maar dit is ook, daar's 'n ernstige element aan hierdie wedstryd, want albei spanne speel later vanjaar in Europa.
Oom, kom ek weet dit gaan fisies wees. Die Georgians is fisies en ek weet baie van hulle manne wat daar speel is ouens wat toetsspelers is. So ek ken hulle nie regtig so goed nie, maar verwagtinge van môre gaan wees fisies, vinnig, tempo jaag en ja, ek gaan maar net fokus op my job en my job reg te doen en nie spanmaats teleur te stel nie.